Today we want to continuity of the exercise to find three children. So find the value of the polynomial. Correct children? Find the value of the polynomial. The question is 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x is equal to 0, at x is equal to minus 1, at x is equal to 2. You want to find the value. So find the value of the polynomial. Correct children? Now you want to take first one is 5x minus 4x square plus 3 is the question. Correct children? X is equal to 0. Suppose x is equal to 0 means you want to substitute the value of what is the p of x is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Correct children? So substitute in place of x value 0. 5 of 0 minus 4 of 0 square plus 3. Correct children? So 5 into 0, 0. So 0 to any number you want to multiply, that is 0. Minus 4 into 0 square is also 0 plus 3. What is the x is equal to 0 value is plus 3 children. Correct children? So next you want to substitute that x is equal to minus 1 means suppose x is equal to minus 1 means you want to substitute, right, as it is 5. In place of x value is minus 1 and write minus 4. In place of x value is equal to minus 1 square. So write plus 3. Correct children? So plus into minus, minus 5 1 5. So see children, here minus 4 is there. So minus 1 square is there. Minus 1 square, minus into minus. So we want to multiply this 2 times. Minus into minus is plus 1 1 1. So plus 3 children. So next, write as it is minus 5. So minus into plus is minus 4 1 4 plus 3. Correct children? So we want to add like sign. So minus 5 minus same sign is there. That's why you want to add children. Minus 9 plus 3. Here also one sign is there. Minus 9 plus 3. You want to subtract. Minus 9 plus 3 is equal to minus 6. Correct children? So next you want to take x is equal to 2. Next this x is equal to 2 you want to write substitute children. So the value of x is equal to 2. Correct children? Right as it is the question 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Correct children? This is the question x is equal to 2. In place of x value you want to substitute the value of x is equal to 2 minus 4. The value of x is equal to 2 square is there. So next write as it is plus 3. See children, now you want to multiply 5 2s are how much? 5 2s are 10 minus 4 as it is. 2 square means 2 2s are 4. Right as it is plus 3. Correct children? Now you want to write 10 as it is plus 10. Correct. Minus into plus. Minus into plus is minus 4 4 is 16. Minus 16 plus 3. Correct children? Children, now you can add like terms. Then also plus 10 is there, plus 3 is there. There is also same sign means you can add 30 and minus 60. Children, now you want to subtract minus 60 plus 3 is, what is the value is? Minus 3. See children, once again. Find the value of the polynomial. The question is 5x minus 4x square plus 3. At x is equal to 0 means you want to substitute in place of x is equal to 0. 5 into 0, 0. 4 into 0, 0 plus 3. At x is equal to minus 1 is want to substitute in x place minus 1. 5 in x place is minus 1. Minus 4 is there. In x place, right, is minus 1 whole square plus 3. Plus into minus, minus 5 1s are 5. Minus 4, right, as it is. Minus 1 square is there. You want to multiply 2 times. Minus into minus is plus 1 1 ja 1 plus 3. Minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9 plus 3. Correct children? Minus 9 plus 3 is equal to minus 6. Next you want to take x is equal to 2. In place of x you want to substitute the value of 5, right, as it is x place into minus 4 is there. In x place you want to write as it is 2 square is there plus 3. 5 2s are 10. Write as it is minus 4. 2 square means 4 plus 3. 10 minus 2 plus is minus 4 4 just 16 plus 3. So plus 10 plus 3 you want to add to this 30 minus 16. Minus 16 plus 13 is minus 3. You can understand children? Next you want to go to next question. What is that next question? Okay children. You want to see children? What is the next question? Children, you want to take next question. Find the value of, there was find p of 0. Second question. Okay, find p of 0 and p of 1 and p of 2 for each of the following variables. First question children, this one you want to find p of 0, p of 1, p of 2. Correct children? You want to take first question is p of y is equal to y square minus y plus 1. This is first question children. Next you want to take second question. P of t is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. Children, next you want to take third question. P of x is equal to x cube. And fourth question is P of x is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. X minus 1 into x plus 1. Correct children? Children, now we want to take what is that P of 0, P of 1, P of 2. We want to substitute. First in y place you want to substitute 0, letter 1 and letter 2 children. First you want to take y is equal to 0. Correct children? In place of y place you want to write 0, 0 square minus 0 plus 0 minus 0, then also 0 does not have any value, so write only 1 children. Children, next you want to take y is equal to 1. Suppose in place of y you want to substitute 1 is equal to 1 square minus 1 plus 1. Correct children? P of 1 is equal to 1 square means 1 and minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. P of 1 is equal to 1. Correct children? Children, now we want to take last one is y is equal to 2. Correct children? In y place we want to substitute 2. P of 2 is equal to 2 square minus 2 plus 1. Correct children? 2 square means 4, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. This is P of 2 children. Children, next second question you want to take, what is that? First you want to take P of 0, t is equal to 0. P of 0, substitute in 2 plus in t place and 0 plus 2, in t place you want to substitute 0 minus 0. Correct children? P of 0 is equal to 2 plus 0, then also 0 and minus 0. The value of P of 0 is equal to how much children? Only 2. Correct. Children, next you want to substitute in t place 1 children. What is that? P of 1 is equal to, write as it is 2. Plus in a t place you want to substitute 1 plus 2, in t place you want to substitute in 1 square minus 1 cube. Correct children? So P of 1 is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 2 and 1 square means 1 and 1 cube is 1 children. So children, you want to add this one, right? 2 plus 1, so 2 ones are 2 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. 2 plus 2 is how much children? That is 4 children. Correct children? So next you want to take last one is P of 2. So t is equal to 2. Correct? P of 2 is equal to, you want to substitute, right, as it is 2 plus t place is 2 and 2 t square you want to substitute, that is 2 square minus 2q. Correct children. Children, now you want to take here 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So 2 is there here, 2 square means 4. 4 2s are 8. So here also minus 2q is equal to 8 children. Plus 8 minus 8 will cancel. Answer is equal to 4. Here also p of 1 is equal, p of 0 is equal to 2. P of 1 is equal to 4 and p of 2 is equal to 4. Correct children? Next you want to take third question. P of x is equal to x. What is that? So you want to substitute. Suppose P of 0 is equal to x place, you want to substitute 0 cube, the value is 0. And P of 1, you want to write childrens, so 1 cube, the value is almost 1. And P of 2 means you want to substitute, that is 2 cube is equal to 8. Correct childrens? This is one third question. Childrens, you want to take last question. P of x is equal to, see here, x minus 1 into x plus 1, this is the identity of a minus b into a plus b is equal to, what is that? A square minus b square. Correct children? Now you want to substitute p of x. So what you can write? P of x is equal to a square minus b square means x square minus 1 square means 1. Correct children? This is the identity of a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. A value is x and b value is 1, that is x square minus 1 square. Children, first you want to take p of 0 is equal to 0 minus 1 is always 1 minus 1. P of 1 you want to take in x place, want to substitute 1 square minus 1. So now you want to cancel this one, 0. Children, next you want to take last one is p of 2. In x place you want to substitute 2 square minus 1 square means 1. 2 square means 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Correct children? P of 0 is equal to minus 1. P of 1 is equal to 0. And P of 2 is equal to 3 children. You can understand children this one? Okay children. Next you want to go to third way children. Shall I rub this one? Okay children. Thank you. Next you want to take third way. What is the third line children? Children, now we want to take verify whether the following are zeros or the following indicate against them. Children, third line, you want to read that one once again. Verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicate against them. So children, we want to take first question is p of x is equal to 3x plus 1. X is equal to minus 1 by 3 children. Correct children? So children, now you want to take second question is p of x is equal to 5x minus 5 and x is equal to 4 by 5 children. Children, next you want to take third question. P of x is equal to x square minus 1 and x is equal to 1 comma minus 1. So children, now you want to take fourth question. What is that? X plus 1 into x minus 2 and x is equal to minus 1 comma 2 children. Children, now we want to take what is that? P of x is equal to 3x plus 1 and x is equal to minus 1 by 3. We want to verify is it 0 polynomial or not. So in place of x is equal to, we want to substitute minus 1 by 3. P of minus 1 by 3 is equal to 3 of, in x place we want to substitute minus 1 by 3 plus 1. See children, v1s are v1, cancel. So 1 into 1 is minus 1 because there is plus into minus minus plus 1 is equal to 0 children. Children, now you want to take this is p of, there was x is equal to 4 by 5. Correct children? Want to write In x place 4 by 5 minus 5. Correct children? You want to cancel it. 4 minus 5. So this is also is not is equal to 0. Correct children? And this is 0. This is 0 for it. Children, now we want to take here p of x is equal to x square minus 1. In x place is 1 comma minus 1. Right children? P of 1 is equal to 1 square minus 1. It is 0. Suppose p of then also minus 1. X is equal to value is minus 1 is equal to minus 1 square minus 1. Minus 1 square is 1 minus 1. This is 0. Yes, this is 0 polynomial. Children, now you want to take this one x plus 1 into x minus 2. Suppose you want to take this one x value is minus 1. Correct children? So p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus 1 and minus 1 minus 2. So this one is 0 into plus 1 is equal to 0 children. So children, suppose x place the value is 2 is equal to p of 2 is equal to how we can write here in x place you want to substitute plus 2. 2 plus 1 and then also 2 minus 2. Correct children? This is also you want to take minus 1 and minus 1 is minus 3 children. So this is 0. So children, now you want to take here 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is also 0. See children, x plus 1 into x minus 2. The value of first place x is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 into minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 plus 1 is cancelled at 0. Minus 1 minus 2 is 3. Minus 3 into 0 is 0. So you want to substitute p of 2. So in x place you want to substitute 2 plus 1 in 2 minus 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 into 3 is 0 children. Okay children. So this exercise remaining 3 sums is there children in do not come homework. Okay. And tomorrow we'll discuss about that next exercise children. Thank you children.